If you want to maintain your privacy while using YouTube TV, hiding your online status can be a useful feature. Follow these steps to adjust your settings. Step 1. Open YouTube TV. Launch the YouTube TV app on your device or visit the YouTube TV website in your browser. Step 2. Sign in. Make sure you are signed into your YouTube TV account. If you are not logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Step 3. Access settings. Navigate to the settings menu. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile icon or the menu icon, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 4. Find privacy settings. Look for the privacy settings option within the settings menu. This section may contain various options related to your account privacy and visibility. Step 5. Adjust online status. Locate the option to hide your online status. Toggle the setting to disable visibility, ensuring that others cannot see when you are online. By following these steps, you can successfully hide your online status on YouTube TV, allowing for a more private viewing experience. Enjoy your time watching without the worry of being seen online.